Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to use a flywheel locking tool, also known as holding tool, on Ford Fiesta. If you have Focus, even if you have, guys, this is a Fiesta ST right here, but it will be the same procedure for other models as well, pretty much all Ford vehicles. So this is the tool that we'll be using. It comes with 3 different sizes depending on which one you need. And usually this tool is placed, guys, where the starter of the vehicle is. You have to remove the starter, use the top and the bottom bolt, do not use the middle one, and we'll place the tool there. Now, this tool will be needed for timing, okay? Every time you remove the harmonic balancer or the crankshaft pulley, you will need that tool so you can torque things down. You can apply the necessary amount to get the bolt tight. You also need it for timing, belt replacement, quite a few things. So let's start on it and show you how it works now. So you can see, guys, okay, we'll be using just an 18mm wrench to turn the engine, and you can see how you can turn it with no problem, right? Okay, so with that tool you will not be able to turn it at all. Now you need to get that bolt a little bit loose but almost tight, and this tool will be moving in this canal. We need to push it all the way up, okay, so we can see where it's going to go next. Okay, let's go ahead now actually and install it. I'm going to show you how to do it now. Okay, we have the 2 bolts in place already here. Okay, those 2 bolts are in place, and right here I'm going to get it where the starter, okay, goes on through the bolts. Okay, like that. Now I'll get 2 nuts, okay, and you have to okay, 1 second, this one almost came loose. You actually have to find the nuts yourself because the starter doesn't come with nuts. Okay, and get them tight by hand, each one of them first. Okay, now the bottom one, it's very important not to drop the nut inside the engine, right here, because if you do, you might have to remove the transmission, okay, to actually pull that nut out of there. Okay, you can see I'm getting them tied by hand now, and in my case I'll need to hold that bolt here on the back side. You might need to hold them with a wrench. Okay, this one here as well. Okay, perfect. Now it's important to get it tight with a tool as well, so don't forget to do that. Now right here, that tooth, it can go up and down. You can see it needs to go all the way down, okay, so it can lock in the flywheel teeth. And after that, in our case it's with 13mm socket, we're going to go ahead and get that center nut tight. Okay, almost there now. Perfect. Now let me show you if I try to spin the engine, okay, with the same 18mm, I won't be able to move it at all. Nothing. That's how good it locks it. So that's how you guys use that tool for Ford Fiesta Focus, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.